Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Adafais. Now let's talk about Kahoot education entry. First of all, I will introduce about the each feature that you can use in Kahoot. So to create the question, you can go from the main interface and select create, and then go to Kahoot and then go to black canvas, and then you will see this type of page. So you can pause the video if you want to see each details of the each button and section. So from there, if you select the add question, you will see a lot of type of question that you can see like quiz, true or false or type answer. So you can pause this video if you want to see each details of the each type of question. So from the main interface, you can select the groups, and the function of groups is to make the collaboration, assignation and competition is more easier for you to use or to do. From the main interface, you can go to the library and then choose one of your selected question that you want to use, and then you will see this type of page. So the host live, the function is to make a real-time session, while the assign is to for self-paced session. While if you select the share, you will see this type of page. So from the main interface, you can also select the report and select a question to see each report or feedback from the selected question. So from the report of a question, you can see there is a button where you can see it right report options. So you have to download the report to see the report from that question. This is an example of where you will go from the after downloading the report. So it will redirect you to the Excel or spreadsheet. Now, if you host a live, you will see there are three types of mode, which are self mode, team mode, and also combine mode, where you will combine lecture slides and also quizzes. On the host live page, you can see there's a setting mode where you can adjust the setting to go with your specification. So you can pause this video if you want to see the details about each settings. Now, let's go to the tutorial video for Kahoot. So, from the Kahoot website, click the sign up free. And then there's four type of account, which is professional, and then teacher, and then student, and lastly is family and friends. Now click which one you want to do, and now I click teacher. And then describe your workplace, either school, higher education, school administration, or business. I will click higher education. Now sign up your email. After done signing up your account, you will go to this page. And for your information, I will call this page as a main interface. So as you can see, there's a lot of button there. So let's go to the create to create a question. Now click the create, and then you will see Kahoot mode, story mode, and also course mode. So we click the Kahoot mode to make a question. So now you click the black canvas. So this is what you will see, the page. So let's click the enter Kahoot title. So let's click the title. Now let's go with shape, and then click done. Now start typing our question. What we will ask? What is the what is the shape of this object? So now upload a file. So we go to the Unsplash and search the relatable image. So now this one. Let's go and upload the media. And now go to below part, which is you have to put the answer. First one, I will put the cylinder, and now I will put square, and then rectangle. Lastly, sphere. Oh, I mean circle. And now click which one you think is the right answer. So I will click the rectangle because it is a rectangle shape. Now click the add question. So you see a lot of questions. So pick a true or false because others are premium. Sorry guys. So click the true or false. Let's go. Now, just like before, select a question. I will put, is it a sphere? And then click the upload file and search sphere object. So let's see which one is interesting. That one. Let's go with that. Yes, this one. So, is it true or false? Of course, it is a true. Even a kindergarten student can get it right. So now, save the question and get ready to host it. Now, let's see about the hosting live. So as you can see, there's a two screen, which is phone and also whiteboard. The whiteboard is for teacher, and while the phone as student. Now click the game pin, or you can scan the QR, and then as a student, click your nickname. So I put student. So you can customize your avatar. So I pick this horse, and I think this Google's is amazing. So let's start. So teacher will start the task while informing the student that the task is already starting. So the countdown is right now. So as you can see, the question will only appear on teacher screen, while the student will only have the symbol from the answer. So let's answer, and we have incorrect. So never mind. Let's go to the next question. And then if we see, is it a sphere? So the answer for student answer is true, and then this is right, correct. Now after done every quiz, you will see a result, which is there's a drum roll or something exciting. So the first place is because we only play by ourselves, by myself I mean. So that's all. So you can see that the avatar is moving. It makes students feel more collaborate in this class. So you can click the view summary, where you can get which part student wrong, which part student is right. So you get the percentage of correct answer, difficult question, and then you can get feedback, or we can also play a game with some other game mode. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Oh yeah guys, don't forget to see another education entry. So right now, Kahoot signing out.